I would do first is that I would create rectangles, like simple pieces out of each letter. And the first letter is usually the one that informs the next letter, right? So it goes on and on. The more time you spend with these letters, the more you see them in a different way. That is what I'm trying to do. So this is the kind of typography that we've come up with right now. For example, let's add a random color right now.
Like the stroke is much thinner than as it like progresses. Is it like just for the sake of it, like, or is it like an intentional decision?
When I even like paint this by next week, I'll make weight of the strokes similar. The composition is kind of like a lens structure in which I think it should emerge from the bottom up. I think we can do like a lilac purple. And like according to the rules, the dark colors go at the bottom and the light colors go on top. So it kind of creates this visual weight where the shadow needs to be. Take a lighter version and create some highlights here.
How can we add the highlights and shadows without like overdoing it?
For example, if we look that the light source is coming from the top right part, okay? So these places would shine the most, right? Okay, so the next thing that I want to do very quickly is add some cool background. What I would do is another little detail would be to do the same color a bit on the foreground also. So I love to like stay in the studio, work out all of the details, and then I think the third session would be to go out in the city and find a cool spot and paint this piece live.